Hello everyone, it's Tracy from Tracy Lee Textiles. Got something a little bit different to show you today. I ordered 2 journals from Chic Sparrow in America. I've been so excited that they've come. They actually arrived today. There is one in there for my husband, but he said I could open it and show everybody. So I'm going to try and open it. I haven't even opened up the box. So if I struggle too much, I'll pause and come back. But we shall see. Oops. Yes. I've been dreaming of them. It's been that exciting. These are my very first Chic Sparrow. I've seen them on YouTube, but I haven't actually had any. So it's got a beautiful little thank you sticker on it. In the box nice and snug. Just put that away. Oh, what's that? Oh, we've got a little present. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, it smells good too. I have to do the smell. Oh, that's beautiful. Well, we can fight over that one. See who gets it. I'll be using this in my journals, as I use everything. That's 5-year anniversary. That's just a card on how to look after the leather. That's my invoice. And that's, it always seems impossible until it's done. Oh, that's nice. It's a little sticker. I can reuse that. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, which one do I open first? Let's open mine. I think this is my one. I can tell by the feel. They are both A5 size. Just find A5's a nice size for journaling. And they also come in a beautiful little cloth bag. It feels nice with the Chic Sparrow. Oh, there she is. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. And it lays nice and flat. It's not too heavy. It's got all the pockets. So the one that I got was a Deluxe Maverick in the dark brown A5. And that's what this one is. And it's got the 4 strings. Oh, I love that it's in the brown too. So it's not actually a feature, it's just the whole leather is a feature. Oh, it smells beautiful. I hope I'm getting this in camera. Oh, that's gorgeous. I couldn't have picked any better myself. And you can hardly see the Chic Sparrow made in America. So it's come from America. I tried to get some in Australia, but I just couldn't find the ones that I just fell in love with. And it's beautiful thickness. And that way I can put my journals in that I make, actually. Let's see if these fit in. So these are the journals that I actually make, and I sell these on my website, Tracy Lee Textiles, tracylee.com.au. So just line the middle. Oh, that fits in there perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I want to put another one in. Let me see this one. These are all on my website, by the way. So if you want to have a closer look at them. But I'm just having a look in the journal just to see how they fit in. Well, that's 2 that's in there, and like they're pretty substantial journals. So I've just got 2 in there at the moment, and you can see how bulky and thick it's thickened up. Oh, that looks beautiful. I love the vintage feel inside. That's really nice. I'll probably put a different one inside of it instead of that one, because it does have a few little dangles on the front. But yes, I'm very pleased with that. It's beautiful. I need to wash it up. Oh, I'm loving that. I just love the way it lays flat, so you can just write. Mwah! Beautiful, love it. Have to give it a kiss. Oops, sorry. Okay, so that's my one. This one's my husband's. I'll rewrap it for him. So it's still a surprise for him. I'll not show him the video until he's unwrapped his. So, that's gorgeous. He got the Deluxe Creme in the Black Beauty, and this is also A5. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, it feels beautiful. It's got a really nice feel. I don't know if you can see it. It's not overly shiny. It just feels beautiful. Oh, the stitching's gorgeous. Stitching's beautiful. And you got your little pen loop, as is mine. That one's got the pen loop as well. Ooh, exciting. Oh, they just lay flat beautifully. Just look at that. That's beautiful. Yes, well, we're going to have fun setting these up. They're beautiful. So 2 A5, 2 different leathers. This is a bit of a harder leather, but still very soft. Like, it's not overly rigid, but it's what I wanted. So I'm happy with that. And I think my husband would be very happy with this one as well. It feels beautiful. So if he doesn't want his, I'm happy to give him mine, but I'm happy with either one. But I do love them both. But yes, this one, I'm very pleased. I love the feel of it. So these are our Chic Sparrows. First time ever bought them, and extremely pleased. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. And if you want to see how I get them set up, I'll do another little video, but I do want to put some journals in. The ones that I showed you, these ones, these will be for sale, so I'll not be putting these in these journals. I will be putting other ones in. So I hope everyone has a lovely day, and thank you for spending time to have a look at my my one journal cover, my husband's. Okay then, have a good day. Bye.